San Francisco, one of my favorite cities, and one of the many awesome places to visit in California in general. I'm definitely a fan of Cali. Whether it's been for vacation, work, or just passing through, I've never had the chance to see the Golden Gate Bridge without the infamous fog blocking a good portion of the views. However, on this particular work trip, I made my way over to the bridge and was blessed with the clearest skies I've ever seen in that part of the city. Cool air with a pleasant breeze and the warm sun shining bright and keeping the temperatures comfortable and perfect.
Yo, have you ever seen skies clearer than this at the Golden Gate Bridge? This is so awesome. I was flying some drone footage and it came out amazing. Wait till you see this.
This was the clearest picture of the Golden Gate Bridge that I had ever seen. I had to capture it. What a sight. A beautiful scenic view of the city, boats sailing through the bay, Alcatraz, the hills and the mountains in the distance, and this magnificent structure in all its glory.
Epic. Epic. Golden Gate Bridge, I love it. Woo!
I just wanted to share these awesome images. Hope you enjoy. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like this type of drone content. I enjoy posting videos and shorts on cool excursion ideas, hiking, anything travel related, and occasionally videos of my awesome dog, Bully.
This way.
Likes and comments go a long way too. Thanks for watching. Cheers.